Welcome to the Kwik Performance Engine Lab. What we have here is an LT Camaro on the front of our LT motor. So don't mind the truck intake on it, just mind the front accessories. So one of the things that GM did here is offset water pump with an alternator mounted down low. And then they had the AC on this side. Well, that's an issue for steering gears and all sorts of other reasons. It's also a variable displacement. So we take the sanding compressor, mounted up here high outside the cylinder head, still a nice compact profile. It is going to be a wide mount style. Put a Type 2 power steering pump. These engines do not come with hydraulic power steering. They're electric, and so for us hot rodders who want to keep our hydraulic system, going to need that pump. Have an integrated reservoir into our system here that has a feed hose that actually comes through here, down here, included in the kit. So the kit is going to come with the pump, the bracket, the reservoir, and the feed hose. And you're going to run on a single serpentine belt now. It's a different system than we're really used to, but this is a great opportunity for you to get this into a C10 or something like that. And we're going to be at a price point that makes sense. Use the stuff you already have. You get to reuse your alternator and keep the water pump that you already have. It's going to be a more cost-efficient way to get this LT Camaro going. Thanks.